The fill and fold pre-roll machine is one of the fastest and easiest ways to make pre-rolls at scale that we've discovered, winning our battle of the pre-roll machines by pumping out more than 800 pre-rolls per hour with just a single operator. And now, with the addition of a new work tray, you can fill pre-rolled tubes with the same speed and quality, making the fill and fold as versatile as it is fast. Welcome back to the Custom Cones USA channel, home of the pre-roll experts and your one-stop shop for everything pre-roll. Today, we're talking about the new fill and fold tube work trays that turn this top-level cone filler into a tube filling machine as well. The tube work tray works with the standard fill and fold base and metering trays, so this tray is all you need to begin producing pre-rolled tubes on the same machine, saving you time and money. However, it should be noted that the fill and fold's unique folding and tamping tool cannot be used with the tube kit. The fill and fold tube work tray is available in 3 diameters, so you can fill 109mm tubes with a width of 9mm, 11mm, or 12mm. The 9mm tubes will hold about 1 gram, the 11mm tubes will hold about 2 grams, and the 12mm tubes will hold more than 2 grams, depending of course on the particle size and moisture content of your flour. It also works with any filter tip, so whether you choose the unique spiral filter, our natural filling wood filter tip, available in natural, sweetened, and vanilla flavor, the premium glass filter, or even the luxurious ceramic filter, you can perfectly fill your pre-rolled tubes in no time. The process is much the same as filling cones, but with a few minor adjustments. First, place the tube tray on the work tray base and slide that over the fill and fold's packing base and motor. Next, fill your tubes. To make things easier, the same 1 gram metering trays you use to fill your pre-rolled cones work with the tube work tray. Though not weight-based, the volumetric metering trays are designed to hold the amount of flour that fits into your selected cone or tube size. However, in this case, because the 109mm metering tray is designed for 1 gram king-size pre-rolls, you may need to fill your metering tray more than one time if you're using the 11mm or 12mm diameter tubes. Once you've dropped your flour into your tubes, simply turn the machine on and let it bounce your tubes for about 30 seconds or so to ensure a firmly packed base near the filter and proper density throughout the tube. Timing will vary depending on your flour and your grind, so be sure to do some testing to find what works for your needs. When your tubes are filled, remove the top section of the work tray from the work tray base. This will allow you to access your filled tubes so you can remove and close them. Again, unfortunately, the fill and fold's unique tamping and folding tool does not work to close pre-rolls with the machine's tube kit due to the cylindrical shape. However, it can be used for tamping and packing purposes before the tubes are removed. But don't fret, there's still an easy way to finish your pre-rolled tubes without having to fold or twist each one. We recommend our silicone blunt finishing caps as a simple and premium looking way to top each tube in just seconds. And there you have it. The fill and fold tube kit is a great way to use your existing machinery to update or expand your pre-roll line by adding pre-rolled tubes. It's fast, simple, scalable, and works with all your fill and fold accessories. And of course, we can always customize tubes to whatever length you need and can custom make trays in any tube length or tube width so you can quickly fill your unique shape or size. Contact the pre-roll experts today to get started. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell so you're always up to date on all things pre-roll. See you next time.